We provide weekly pool maintenance service that includes the following tasks: vacuuming the pool, brushing the waterline tile and the walls of the pool and spa, skimming the pool surface for floating debris, checking and cleaning the debris skimmer basket, analyzing the pool water chemistry and adjusting the stabilization chemicals as needed, checking and filling the automatic chemical feeders, providing a detailed service report with photos by email, offering expertise in pool equipment repair. Please let us know if you have any further questions or if you would like to schedule your weekly pool maintenance.